here. Very interesting video here for you today. So I got an email from a fellow deadbeat yesterday, and here is his problem with his website. He's getting 10,000 unique visitors per day to his website, but he's only making about $100 a day through Google AdSense. Alright, so he was asking me some advice, what he should do, and I just wanted to share some of the tips that I gave him, and hopefully this will help you out. Regardless, if you have 0 visitors per day, or 10,000, or even 100,000 visitors per day. Alright, so this is a good problem to have. You have 10,000 visitors coming to your site, you need to look at it this way. These are 10,000 real people with wallets realistically like somewhere within their reach. Like they could probably just reach over to their desk, pick up their wallet, and buy stuff at any given moment. So it's important to keep that into perspective. It's very easy when you see on your traffic stats or whatever that you have 10,000 visitors. It's very easy to turn this into rational data. What I mean by that is you see 10,000 numbers, it just becomes a digit on the screen at that point. But you have to always keep in mind that those are 10,000 real people that you have the potential to influence. So all you have to do is say the right things or send them through the right funnel to get them to take that wallet within reach to get them to buy stuff. Alright, so keep that in mind. So here's the main issue. Let's just say that his, so I don't want to give away the niche, so I'm going to make this a substitute. Let's just say the site is about movie quotes. Now when someone goes to Google and they type in, let's just say they saw a movie at a movie theater, they type that quote into Google. At this point, they're info-seeking people. So they're in the info acquisition mindset. Someone in this mode isn't going to buy stuff right then and there. So you have to keep that in mind. So they go to Google, they type in the quote, they land on the quote page. Here are some things that you should do at this point. Alright, first of all, if you're making $100 per day with anything, chances are you can scale that up and make much more. So when I find an income stream or an advertising source or specific offer to promote that makes me $100 a day, in my mind I know that no matter what, I can usually scale this up to much greater than $100 per day. So my first recommendation would be to take that Google AdSense block and test different ways to put it into your site. So I'm not an expert in Google AdSense by any means. I have made money in the past. Here's what I found to work. You take the AdSense block and you embed it into the actual content piece that the viewer sees. So a lot of people will just put it on the sidebar or at the very top, and you can get clicks there. But if you embed the AdSense block literally like within the content itself and you blend it all together by matching font colors, font type, and all that, you will increase the amount of clicks, therefore money that you make. So try to improve the conversion rate of your clicks to your AdSense blocks. So that's the first thing I would focus on. That's something you can do pretty easily. You can figure that out within about a week. Alright, so once you get that proven thing, hone that in. Number 2, I would start testing some different offers on there. So movie quotes, this is not the exact same problem, the exact same niche that he's in, but let's just take movie quotes for example. What you could do is to the right, at the very top, you could promote that movie through Amazon. So you find that movie on Amazon, you have the actual scenes or the top scenes from the movie, whatever those top lines are, the top quotes or whatever, and use that as your article content and embed that image of the particular movie in the content itself. Link that video to Amazon. So that's one thing you could do. Another thing that you can do, this is something I really recommend specifically to this person if you're watching this video, is create swag. So create t-shirts, create coffee mugs, mouse pads, all that stuff with specific quotes in them. So you can check out sites like gearbubble.com. This allows you to create all the swag that you want, really just from the internet, from your computer, very easily. So that's something you can get up and running within a week at most. So just be careful though that there isn't any copyright infringements. If you're going with movie quotes, you just have to be careful about that. Alright, so that's tip number 3 or 2. I lost track of going at it. Tip number 4 would be I would try to find some way to get them on my mailing list. Maybe they're not ready to buy right there, but if you have a general idea of the type of quotes or whatever it is that they're interested in, if you can get them on your mailing list, this gives you many opportunities in the future to get them to buy stuff. So it's just a matter of getting that visitor at the right time and saying the right things. So with email marketing, you have the opportunity to get people from that information-based or that entertainment-based mindset into a buying mindset. So you do that through writing. All right, so that's the benefit of email marketing. Even though they might at that time might not be ready to buy, this allows you to get into their minds in the future many, many times and give you the opportunity to sell things to them. So the key to this, though, is just to make sure that the stuff that you're giving away and the stuff that you're pitching is similar to the information that they landed on for that particular page. All right, another thing that you want to really focus on is taking your top 10 quotes. Let's just say, let's go with the quote thing. Your top 10 pages, whatever those top 10 traffic pages are, really hone those in. So this could be using all the tips that I talked about in this video. So in other words, take your top 10 pages that get the most traffic and put all your effort into improving the conversion rates of that particular page. So that's another tip off the top of my head. Another one is check out some CPA offers, ones that will pay you just for having the person input their email address. So this could be things like very broad offers like $50 gift card offer, anything like that appeals to a mass market. And finally, what I would also recommend you do is try some other ad serving networks besides for Google AdSense. So there are a ton of them out there. They might be worth a shot for you. So these are ones like banner-based advertising networks. All right, so just go to Google and type in banner advertising networks or just advertising networks, and you'll get a list of literally hundreds or thousands of them. All right, so that's the final tip. All in all, if you're getting 10,000 visitors a day, you're in a good position. Don't freak out. This is the position you want to be in. Just hone it in more. You have all the people that you need to make serious money from that website. All right, so with all that said, the good news is that you don't actually need to have 10,000 visitors per day to make a full-time living online. There are certain things that you can do. For example, creating a site with the right kind of content, tapping into the right traffic sources the right way to get buyers in the buyer mindset to your website so that they buy right then and there. All right, so from my experience, I've learned that you can do this. You can make a full-time living online with about 200 targeted visitors a day. All right, so this is what I show you how to do in my Deadbeat Super Affiliate System. I'll pop the URL up for that somewhere, depending on how the video turns out, either here or here. All right, so go to deadbeatsuperaffiliate.com to get that system. Again, it shows you step-by-step how to do all the right stuff so that you can make a full-time living as an affiliate marketer with about 200 visitors per day, even if you're a complete beginner and you're clueless about all this website stuff. All right, Deadbeats, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I think the button's going to be, here when the video flips around. Subscribe to my channel. I release all new stuff about affiliate marketing, make money online all the time. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions about making money with Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, or any of that fun stuff. My name's Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate, and I'll see you Deadbeats later.